ko sigurado. There's the root and Reese taking on Barangay Global at the moment. We have here and there para sa Global ito sila Sonyo. Okoy. Anito. Malisi. At ito si Rubio. Pagkakay Hermoso. Nabihal. Dio Campo. Malaklaki. After comes the Oslos Sanchez playing for the Ruth and Reese. Currently, they are now up by 5 points with 7.5, less than 7.5 minutes remaining. Grabe guys, kumain kami sa lechon kawali ng hotels. Ibang klase na mga kasama pag talaga lang. Pagkain ko sa hotels sa lechon kawali. So sa mga gusto ko mga kumain, try niyo bisitahin ang hotels lechon kawali. Located lang yan dito sa Barangay San Jose.
Sabi mo, ilaw, madilim.
Opo. Pagkain dito, dito ulit.
Okay na.
What happened to the bond there? Kaya ba, Bon?
Pumipilitan pag di kaya, ha?
Lapitan. Someone, for some reason, they injured siya doon. Pero, hinahawakan niya pa rin yung kanyang kanang kamay doon. Up ng braso.
Warning, direct the ball game.
So, warning for the late ball game para dito. Sunken Ray. Yuri, may anak ko wala. Romeo, trying to attack. Logan's holding it there. Arnie finds Yuri. Takes the finger roll. Hindi nga lang. Buwas ko yun. Pero may bonus to free throw shot. First personal foul on Rondell Blackwood. Sino ba yun? Si Sanchez, wala nga ako. Sabi ko parang nakita ko si Rondell. Maintenance ko kita. Slushless. And also finds Sanchez. Bumabalik ako sa Rondell. He takes the dues.
Ano daw, di ko maintindihan, sinasabi mo.
Hindi po mga kabarangay, pag-like and share nyo na ang ating official live ngayon, no? At get a chance to win 500 pesos. Mamaya po, nakadalawa lang ako siya tayo. May isa pa tayo pipiliin mamaya. Na mananalo. Ayan na, may nakaiwan ang backpack ng color black. Pakitiyan na lang po kami.
Baka yun.
Baka yun. Balik tayo sa ating game. And it's Rubio are able to find. Ito si Balisi. Lapit na get out one. Yuri para sa board. Balisi once again. Inaanap ko rin ito si Rubio. Yuri from deep. And po yun. Nakakuha na rin Devon. And it's lapitan all the way to the basket. Time out. Shoutout kay Junior Obligado, Gugugo Marlubang, 7 ang nasa ating puntalaan mga kabarangay. And still a 7-point deficit against the Region Race. Barangay Caluma is now on the attack. Good collect that one. Gomez will face the line for 2 free throws. Para dito kay
Pag-miss pa ako ng data.
Buwan.
Ewan ko lang.
Nabares, it's number on left one. Ang taas ng napaan. Wala yan. Defense on his first turnover here.
Connect mo na ako, di ba ako?
Abat ulit ito ang lubang.
Ito nga nakakonect.
Lopez, Lopez si Open.
Okay lang yun.
Couldn't get the defense para di ba ito si Sean? Susuko mag-rebound pa yan. Dito si Zane. We still have less than 4 minutes. Sa ating first quarter. Gusto na din na itong si Amandia Fritz. Looking to make some noise here. Ooh, what a pass! Kaso na pinin sa ilalim. Si Jasper Benz, the drop pass. Randall, and Jasper. Wala pa rin, parang nagkatay-tay. He gets his own rebound. Michael puts it up. It's still a miss. Nakakuha naman ang lubang. Here it comes. Magalan. Good number to 2 points. Relas is in trouble. Nakakawa. Magalan. Back to serve. See that pressure mukhang minala sa basket yung ulo ng race. Let's see if they can do some extraordinary change. After that timeout, isa na lang. Aabantin din. Punta sa Maluba. Shoutout sa ating 50 plus viewers na nanonood ngayon. Like sa ating official Facebook account or Facebook page. Pakishare na po ang ating live guys at may chance kayo manalo ng 500 pesos mula kay Attorney Justin Martin, Chipeco, basta Chipeco, sigurado. Ayan guys, 500 pesos po yan. Mamimili kami ng lucky share mamaya sa ating live. Galing po yan sa ating official sponsor, Attorney Justin Martin, Chipeco, basta Chipeco, sigurado. 500 pesos lang. Dapat po nakapublic yung inyong share. Salamat po, mga kamuntan. Halika na, bago the basket for Benson there. Pagkatawan. But they were able to still have that letter. Lopez on the room. Doesn't work. Vince puts it on. Wala. Tavares still gets that letter. Jasper. Altoreros puts up away. Couldn't get the ball. Jasper got rejected in there. Pero kasama pala yung maganda. First foul. Abua. Shoutout kay Ma'am Faye Ramos del Poso. Good luck. Alam ba? Thank you so much po para share niyo po ang ating live. Gomez. Takes it up on the left. Nilabas pa. Kiri Baten. Bukas launches it. Zane Buwak with a big grip. It's on the other left and blue circles in front quarter of the Sounders basketball. Aranda takes the fadeaway. He delivers the deuce. triple F. Isa nila Gomez Ramos. Joe Carter. Ang isa sa basketball. Shoutout kay Glenn Ala. Ipasok si Nihoy. Sabi ni Glenn. Tawag sila Glenn. Carlos with the spin. It's still good. Browns will take it. Mateo with a high pass. Nakaabot ang pakaya ni Navarez. Nawala na ang espasyo sa baseline. 48 seconds. Para kay Carlo Wilson. This time to attack him. Lopez. Breaking against them, Carlos. The traveling is there. Sorry, Vincent. Ramo on the full court. Working against Carlos. They go to Jasper. Hesitating. Bond. Okay. Fantasy. Blanco will face the line to be tested for 2 free throws. Second personal foul on Zane Buhan. Ang friend, ang Luton Reese ng tatlo. Patay-tay. Get it, Jasper. Gets it over the Fritz. Araya, a 7 shoot. Amaris to the fake. Puts up the one-handed wow. Araya to the goal. And Fritz will take it at the buzzer. What up the score by Lucas Ruben Reese. Amaris sila ng 25-20. Ayaw kayo naalis dyan kasi mamaya pumatay. May pasupan ako, bibigay ako ng libre lechon manok wala sa Berlitos. Chicken. Mamaya pumatay break yun. Mga barangay. May pang hapunan na mamaya, no? Nanood ka na lang sa kung siya mga hapunan ka na. Libre lechon. Balik tayo sa ating game this time. And Magapolo. The big leg. Ramiro. Malisi. At itong si Mochapon. Working against Sanelos. Leo Campo. Jen. Kilioy. Itong si Lapitan. Sige, feedback lang lagi. Playing further race right now. Arthur may tangan ng bola. Earl puts it up, doesn't work. Kakukuha niya pang bola pag eh. Hirap doon ganun ang pangalan ni Kevin. Bola swing in there. When it one doesn't work, Jeff forces it. Here comes LeBron. 9 to shoot. Pero naibalik niya kay Concepcion. Earl Tice Palisi. Sama pa naman ang shot block para sa mga Blue. Maybe maglalaban ang sticks. Yung si Roberto Magaporo. Pamer, balik kay Palisi. 15 to shoot. Sideline. Nagawang mag-work. Concepcion. Hindi kayo makakasip pa sa rin para kay Earl. Matayo, balik kayo yung ball. Jen loses it. Agad chicken. Lapita shouldn't pull the trigger. Oh, he loses the lever. 10 seconds on clock. And it's Jen, balik kayo. Matayo. A 6 to shoot. Ramos Lapitan puts it. The three-pointer of this hockey yet. The 19th television bonus partner of the Southwest basketball. Above the end of the Cleveland Knicks to Magaporo and Williams delivers the triple. Dapat inaantay mo niya kay si Mateo. Balik kay Lapitan. Ramos takes the triple again. Couldn't get a lucky bounce. Ako bumalik eh. Terrible. Tumalisi. Hindi. Sige, out. Nakuha na nga dito sila pro. Lapitan out the secondary. Finger on his head. Concepcion, work against Velas. Now then you see the triple. There's a word. Here comes the little Reed. Looking to take on his hand right now. Lapitan, kumapap pasikin. Pamulak, Lapitan on the perimeter. Wala, Jen. Face away, wala pa rin. Nakakawala sa ilalim. Ito si Deo Campo. Si Ramiro, mahanapin sa ano ba? Ang possession. First personal foul. Ang Leo Campo. Magaporo again. Leo Magaporo delivers his second triple on this game. Humawis again. What was that? Talking technical foul so again naman ako importante. Ako, isa pa naman mo sa mga ace ng Golden Race. Kaliwat ka rin yung mga shoulder nila si Mateo at si Keno. To deliver those three pool, yun nga lang, sobrang excitement. You wanna show what you've got? Aabutin ka talaga ng technical once you know.
Pero pa yung player ko doon, ano kayo na Adamit pa kayo. Isa pa kami yung isang one.
Again, a little looking for time again. 4 points here. Dahil na kailangan ng bola. Relas kicks it out to the ball. Lapitan mula doon sa elbow. Diego Ugache, again with another big board. The Ocampo slicing through. Diego Ugache. Charity Day on yan. Super Day. Kaya may lalo nila Super Day. Ano ba tayo? Wala. Abang ako yan. Hindi ako nakapag-commentate pa sa laro nila Super Day. See you soon dito sa Under 17 Division. Shout out ulit kay David Onya. Santos to still have less than 6 minutes back time. And it's a 4-point lead for Golden Wings. Before that timeout, meron tayo nakuha foul. And it's the second personal foul against Nick Steriglo. Di mo tinihindan, nakawa pa rin niya si Ramiro Balistic Concepcion at etong si Manatoro o sa Kairenos. Di ko po, makitan ang walang makin at etong si Leon. Tend to shoot, okay mo na yun. Triples couldn't get that one. Makakuha yan. Ito si Lebron. Papitan. Gem offering that big. Let's step up the corner. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina dito mga kapatid. Nandiyan katulad ka rin na nandiyan yung 3-pointers and shooters na rated. Hindi lang si Pamula kami kung nandiyan pa si Renos. Delivering, re-establishing a 7-point lead with offensive goal against Lebron. Ipaghaboy pa silang itan. So, Naco Navarez. Together with Hermosa, Kakaytay. At eto si Aranio will be back on the floor para dito sa kanlupa. Hindi naman matakpan niya. Rubio would ask for it. Blanco on the pass break. It is Hermoso on the hoop. Hindi na-pick lang sa area ni Zagin. Here comes Blanco. Pushing. Spinning mo. What a defense. Mula rito sa kanlupa. Pinaparami sa Hermosa. Looking to take with Arania. And it's Rubio. No, Robin another. Ubra, that was the jar. The steal. Want to take important play here. It doesn't work. Tavares. Trying to go left. The Ubra. Carlos. Looking for Ramilo. In the other spot. Balcona couldn't pull it. And a super still. The tallest man inside the floor. Definitely working para sa kandugang babago sa isa. Ang lamak ng Golden Wings. Shoutout kay Aruga. Shoutout sila Mr. Aruga. Laki na rin na sa akin ba? Kaya basta ko yung post niya get them suka pala kay SK na din na sa hospital ng mga. And shoutout sa lahat ng tropa sa Aruga. Nanonood niya sa ating live. Shoutout po sa sila sa family. Mga kaibigan natin yan sa Aruga. Shoutout kay Tita Maricor. Shoutout po kay Andre Eugenio. Nanonood niya sa ating live. Currently, we have 44 viewers. Paki-share po ang aming live publicly. At na-share to win 500 pesos po. Mamaya mamimili kami ng aming lucky share. O ayaw nyo maniwala mo 500 talaga dito pinag-ibigay. Ang gagawin nyo lang, i-share nyo lang yung ating live. Pero kayo makakalap ng 500 pesos pag napili kayo ang lucky share. Ayan po, mga kamalagay, 500. Pambili na bigas. And he gets that basket, may kasama pang foul. Red Bulls foul. Sino ba yung nagawa natin na foul? 15. So first personal foul against Malaporo. So Marlins could not deliver that pass well. Dito kay Rubio. Mambo ng tanggap. Brandon on the attack. The spinning push. Doesn't work. Romero takes it. Here comes Carlos. Lopez on the move. Ang bilis. But Memphis is unable to lucky. Vince. Punta kay Maner. Lalabas pa dito kay Elijah. Hermoso. Travel violation.
Ano yung score kayo?
Makakita to ang looking to tie this game with 10 points. Lopez, Tabagaporo, Manel, Didescarte, the floater, lumabas, Lando will take the basket, down the bus in Elijah, and the easy 3 points. Carlos kicks it out to the left side. Big point for Israel. Julie Rubio takes the triple. Pumale. It goes to Blanco. Gonna get that one. The pass break. Carlos with Elijah. Iba yung upper body strength niya dun eh. Alam ko na sa kanya siya Elijah, but he was able to deliver it. Blow in the favor of. Here comes Hermoso. Finds them. Es Pinali por el Cosa. Ano dito may dashboard? Tavares is it. Didiretso niya na. Ang ganda naman ng tapik dito sila. Ano doon? Na-establish ulit nila. Yung triple play.
Face of the game boy. Sabi mo na alis.
From respect ang wala. 8 to shoot for the guys in blue. Rano ang umalim. No! Patak blue. Already go very good. 36 seconds. Tavares off the push. Deliver that. Timeout, Cardovan with 27.4 seconds remaining on the time. Shoutout po kay Edgardo Saguan na nananagyan. At nakita ko nga pala si SK James Carabit. Shoutout sa SK James Carabit. James Ken Carabit at SK Churro po. Ang barangay sa Lucien. Nandiyan po siya ngayon. Nakita ko nilang binusinahan na po. May sounds.
Wala ko yan. Wala ko yan po.
Ipakita ang
Kada tayo mag-sounds na tayo. Kasi buka rin yung mag-work. Kahit yung mga songs lang na halimbawa, yung mga like a G6, hindi ko sa approach, yung like a G6, mga ganun.
Wala.
22 seconds. Riggs kicks it over to Carlos. Oh, wake up now for the triple. 30 seconds to go. Vince on the way to the hole. 2 precious goals. 7 seconds. Let's see if they can get this one. They're the best. Let's see it up. What a first half for both teams. Di ko po ang pakakala natin, pero this half memory.
Lalapit pa ba yan? Lalapit pa doon.
Pwede ba siya ka? May habang ang dati. May habang ang dati niya sa lubang. Hoy! Ayun na kayo! Pabebe pa kayo eh!
Oh, wala.
Hoy! Hoy, ulit kayo! Hoy! Yan, yan!
Oh, wala. Ano, talo na. Ito pa, ipag... Wala, talo ka na. Hindi ka nakashoot eh.
Puta niya! May habang ang dati! Kaya pwede interview yan?
Oh.
We have already a winner ng one whole chicken lechong manok mula kay Atty. Timmy Chipenko. Pangalan!
Cedrico Ruga,
Taga saan?
Tanlubang.
Ikaw dahil dyan nanalo ka ng stopping claim mo ka sa Bernitos lechong manok. Ngayong araw may libreng ulam ka na. Ayos ba? Ano masasabi mo ang ating sabi niya ni Atty. Timmy Chipenko? Ano masasabi mo kay Atty.?
Salamat, Santups. May pangulong na ako.
Yes, once again, our winner, prediction muna, winner ng ating Verditas Lechong Manok on the halftime. Babalik tayo after halftime break.
Wala na, umalis na. Punta mo na nga, boy. Ha? Hindi mo na nga. Ikaw yung
Shout kay Sir Jacob Carion ng Bulgaria. Shout sa inyo, Mas Jacob. Na-miss ko mag-commentator sa Liyan. So hopefully, next year makapag-guest ulit ako sa mga mababait na mababait na organizers ng Barangay Real. Once again, shout out sa inyo, Sir Javon Calio. Balik tayo sa ating game, third quarter of action at sabi niya. Ang Global Travels, the official travel quarter of the Sabres Basketball. Nakita namin yung three quarter mula rito kay LeBron and our three-pointer decided ang 99 points. Pinawag niya sa dalag nito si Ramila. LeBron takes it over. Oswell out to Blanco, wide open. Couldn't get the bounce. Step off Blanco. It's down. Kyle Lumbres. Three-quarter na po ng Hermoso. Lamang po ang Golden League ng 50-46 po ang ating score. Navares with a spin. Ang ganda break din, ha? Couldn't deliver the hands, though. Aagahin na, eto pa naman. Makes this in trouble. Takes it out, three-pointer. Punches it through. Mula yan, dito may Renz Gokoy. Sanchez, the Babylon. Nakabarangay, again, pakishare po ang aming official live ngayong araw and get a chance to win 500 pesos. 5 lucky share po ang mananalo ng 500 pesos mamaya. Ipopost po namin yan at ititigan namin kayo sa inyong official Facebook account. Carlos is trying to shoot. Iba na naman yung Ramilo. Yung putas doon. Balikan ka lamangan para sa lubang. Bago maitawid sa half-right, inabot na CJ Juan de Carlos. Second personal foul on Lopez. Kapitan, balik yung Brando. Brando, turn around. Shooter is good. Here comes Stereo de Mix. Looking to make some noise. Rebounded break. Brando, inagawa na lang. Then it's the Oswell doon. As Tavares will take the dude. Ibang klase yung pushing mo sa under 70. Alam mo, diretso o diretso, no? RJ got rejected in there. Tavares finds Blanco. Uubran mo naman. Eman si Randall. Kokoy. The Bison Simon. Fritz. Nick. 6 to shoot. That's the word. They're out the boards here. LeBron. Out to Blanco. And Randall will face the line for 2 shots. Forcing Kandubang to hurt a timeout. 6 minutes and 38 seconds po. Ama, tinan nyo nakaka-13 po na po. Ang Kandubang yan, mukhang maaga mapapag-babal na mga batang.
Tapos kung ba ako, meron ako may nakashoot. Kung pwede mong i-zoom, yung kay medyo para makita kasi
Lalayo, mahirap i-control yung dito.
Shout out sa ating 40 plus live viewers today. Blanco takes the first one, a chance to re-establish a 7-point lead right now. Dio Franklin yun. Kokoy Lopez, Pagaporo, and Manel with an easy two. Parang naglaro na si Manel before sa under 20. Another shot is in the Ocampo is the first. Single personal foul on Red Bull Ocampo. Now we have Evans and Jasper. Silver place, Deco Campo. Ang sama na dyan, ito si Navarez. Kapitan Blanco at Sanchez. At na naman dito, si Bagapolo. Marami na. Buat Rubio at ito si Kokoy. Hindi umukha yung kanilang penetration doon. Nakipagmirami doon. Here comes Bagapolo once again. Looking to waste some time here. Three-pointer. Wala pa rin. Bumangga si Zing.
Kapag na, sino ko ano?
Third personal foul on Buat.
Parang yung short ano? Ano ka ba? Patak na ba? Patak na ba?
Jasper. Katay-tay. To Oslo.
Parang mabilis niya ano?
Di mo ba ito si Sanchez? Bagapolo, kwanto kay Lebron. Abal, lakpa sa yung dalawa. Napunta kay Bagapolo yung bola. Shot clock at 16. Rubio. Sa ilalim, nakita niya. Yung leader si Buat. Sabay-sabay. Give it up to Blanco. And the Navarez, Nancy Bagapolo na agawat siya dito ni Manel. But Blanco was able to seal it back. Lapitan, down the middle. Tapi ka na bola, Kokoy. Hindi na nabunan.
Akin!
And then siya pagkakinan. Hermoso, together with Ken, ang dalaw na para sa 2 and B. Elijah on the move. Hermoso takes the left-hander ball up. Gonna get his own rebound. But Blanco will turn it back. The other Elijah finds Blanco with a drop pass. Utatangin ang what Yoshua. Charles with his side slip, a fade, and a head traveling. Anya will replace Oslo. Shout out sa ating Pagpuli Commissioner Alex Reyes na nanonood ngayon. Nanonood po si Alex. Aranja wide open. Burr! Ang lata naman sa lima. Ang kabata rito ng Golden Rays. Rubio. Yuri. Kung Bagapolo ay ayaw nun. No in triple. Arago loses it. Couldn't get that one. Puts it up. Wala. Nakuha ng 18. Kaso. Nahirapan sila doon. One dribble step to the front. Wala mo rin.
Ay, pero isang tanong. Ay, nagdadala ng tubig. Ubus ng tubig namin eh.
Minutes. Bagapolo on the move. Sa ilalim, Iwanov ang team Ranulov. He pops it in. Sumakay na yung dalawa. Ang naimbestigahan, si Gilloy. First personal foul, Jack Jr.
Si Jem. Yes.
A third personal foul, Jamie.
Hindi ka ganun.
Napaka-global nga pala ng the basket workers mo. Si Gilloy. Follow Elijah. Jasper loses it. Here comes Carlos finding Yumi. Doesn't work for it'll go. S1M, who will keep that alive? Shot box down the field, bounce one move up, time to shoot. Yumi will drop pass, and it foul on DOP. Ang jam, matatapalan. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Baseline jumper, wala. Ano ba kaya boards eh? Carlos. Ayos si Julie. Again, Rubio. Hindi ubra. Makukuha ni Jem. They go Jasper. Katay-tay. Pushing against three. The lucky pants. Hindi pa rin talaga ubra. Yung press. Underneath. Lumabas pa rin. Puro takbuhay lagi ka natin dito, ha? Jasper trying to make some noise. 2 free throws for Jasper Cuneta.
Yan, nakatot naman. Oo nga pala, mag-aaral. Dalawa pa.
Shout out kay Edgardo Sabuan na nanonood ngayon sa ating live. Shout out po kay Cyrus Makosti, pakipasok ng brown. Sabi ni Riyad G. Galos. American 20. Doesn't work. Jasper wanna take it. All the way to the goal. And Jasper will take it with a solid foul.
Sino naman pinapa-shoutout mo niya? Para sira na yung sapatos ko. Sabi ko na ang ina. Nasira na ako. Sabi ko na nakakalipod ko kanina Angat.
Vincent Bagalan will take the turtle on the Southeast and lose the official ruling partner of the Southeast basketball. Jam looking to take some last. Jasper couldn't get it. Anja Morasa Gillen. Not illegal. The finger roll is good. Phoenix. 4 seconds. Can you beat this? Kaya naman po ang road race na apat, 66-62.
Ano si Laro, tagal ko kasi hindi nagamit yung buong taon. Ah,
Europe talaga.
bumukot na boy. Limited edition niya, New Balance. Ito lang, ako lang meron nito sa Pinas. Kulay green. Model ano nila to eh. Yung export ko. Ano gagamitin to? Susunod pa tapos mo na.
Shoutout kay Zainjan Baliki sa shoutout ko. Ay sa ano ginagawa ng trabaho na nanonood ngayon sa ating live. It's the fourth quarter of action. Pag-aalan once again, puts up a frame, doesn't work.
Serencio.
Sino?
Ayun yung Serencio.
Nasaan?
Ayun.
Uy! Hermoso, ahora ya, balikin hermoso. Kamaya, Zalgamento. Voila! Hermoso works it. Jasper, a step to shoot. Ramos wide open. Voila! Jam jump to the back. Open. Lopez finds space. Deliver loses it. Balik Carlos. Compress with the side set. Iniwan pa sa gitna. Traveling tuloy ang ina. Here comes Lopez on the run. That's good. Abante na ang kanluban ng isa. Ganos picks it up. Amandia puts up a three. They're about to force it. Si Ramos naman. Wala pa rin. And this time, Campo. Hindi nila ipasa kasi ng naman. Si Amandia. First personal foul on Nick Silver. And also, loose slicing through. Doesn't work. Now Nick. Finds Carlos. Extra Pascal. Tumbang mo. Ibang klase kay Vincent. Yung short ball. Neto si Magalan. Isa sa tumutulong sa kanyang to ball the lead. Aranda will face the line for 6 free cards. Shoutout kay Coach Darren. Coach Darren, nandiyan na pala. Mag-stop ba? Namaka kayo last time eh. Namaka sila ng sprockets eh.
Tayo mo kami ano, rotten race.
Tayo muna tayo look at Reese. 324. Tama ba? Free throw is a miss. Nakakuha pa, but he fell against Mix again. Second personal foul Mix. 3-3. Only I picks it up the board. Good pull the trigger. Time to shoot. All into the black. Araja on the attack. Puts it up. Ball up. Tinapag na kay Mix. And it's terrible to Lucas. Oh, Cleveland is spinning out there. Carlos going to Hushman. One hour para sa ating mga kasi na 7 points. Arabia Altorelos, Papawe, ito si Mateo. Gilles, Arabia picks it up. Ocampo slicing through. Wala Lebron, stop and jump. Wala Arabia, finally gets that. Si Rami na yung na-investigahan.
Pagod.
Kita ko yung hingal sa kanya. Second personal foul. Gerard Ramla.
Pero lupa yun eh. Kasi bagay sa ito eh. Bagay sa'yo, mati eh.
Shout out kay MD. May Edgardo San Juan. Sana, kanumang abang sila. Ng 5 points, ang problema, mape-penalty na sila. Pag nakapoto sila na siya.
Shoutout kay Jonathan Opulencia.
Hindi pa ako kaparasan. Ang baho daw. Doon ko na nga iniutot sa malayo, naamoy mo pa. Ang baho daw. Ang baho, tayo na mo.
Really shoot. Vincent Magalan. Once again, risk up his entrance on this game. Bravo. Modern Benex. Ulangan na naman sa pinagpuntos niya mga kabarangay. Less than 6.5. Vince, they pick it up. Valens uses it over. Once again, another work by Vincent. Here comes Blanco on the attack. Puts it up into.
Galing araw, mga pinagtahan mo sila. Kita naman nila eh, wala pa rin ginawa yung number 1. Wala, manang ba tayo? Puro mo naman yung gano'n. Kago na naman. Kago na naman. Nakakasuto na.
Wala na dito ng good degrees. And it makes the performance on the corner from the trigger to stop and shoot. Let's go. Alright, this tip across the lines. Sakit naman. People shot, people drop. Para dito si Camales. The marker is down by Aranya. First personal foul on Aranya. Three-pointer. Wala. The perfect play is Ramiro. Both save the winner. Cabanas Milano gives it over to Randall, dancing with Ramiro. And Blanco will face the line, 13 free throws. Out for a win. Second personal foul on Manel Bacaporo. As Jasper takes that basket, pick a son of a foul.
Pangit ng mic.
Jasper the red line takes the lead for his lane with Italian and Private Prince 2-3. Uy, dahil take over, pabalik.
Labo na, labo.
Control, Morgan is Maraporo. Blanco on the attack, puts it on, that's good. Buhawing ng bayan. Sabi naman tayo ito si Zane. Corporate lead pa niya mga kapagay. Blanco. Gonna work with two people here. Let's rattle it first. Okay, Zane.
As mo lang, tanga.
Sige, sige.
Inas mo lang.
Ebron, nice around the friends. Sa gitna. Dio, Bravo, Rubio, para sa boss. Panalogi, Ramana, the steal is there. Blanco takes the backline. Into trouble, Blanco once again beat a steal and what a hustle from Randall Blanco. Pete ties the game up 81.
Ito mo na ba si Blanco?
Yeah, man.
Wala na eh, nakaupo na eh. Nalaro na sila Panda.
Anovan burns their final timeout on his game. Manel puts up a three. Couldn't get it down, strong on the doorstep. And it's down. Come here. from Jasper. First personal foul, Jasper Craver. Maler, tapos kay Carlos. Rompes has 9 to shoot. Carlos, 4 seconds to work with. Maler to Carlos. Wala, mabigyan ng bola, nakuha na. Ano sila ba dyan? Back with the letter. They go. LeBron. 7 seconds to shoot. Araya on the move. Pumapaka. Pero kasama ko yung kumali. Third personal foul, Gerard Camila.
Shoot ba?
He takes 2 out of 2. 2 minutes and 17 seconds per quarter. Panel, maka-forward the quarter. Zio LeBron. Here comes Blanco all the way to the hole. That's 2 minutes. Almost had that sealed up. Almost sealed it already. And the guys of that will waste of time. Randall will cycle that letter. 10 to shoot. Out of the Reese. Randall once again. First again.
Next player lang po.
Aranja again.
Ito.
The spin. Ano mo yung spin? Yung guys na that. Ayun ang naging problema nito na kayo. Bang wala na sila tayo. Gets down, bang, di pa yan. Third personal foul on Big Sterling.
Wala si Herrera.
Ahmed and 7. A side step, wala, nakuha na. Still, wala pa rin. Ako, that's a good round. 55 seconds to go. LeBron gives over to Araya. Araya, not able to cross the line.
Hindi mo nakulit ng ito.
41 seconds. And Griffin Reese is looking to waste the time already. Time to shoot. Seconds now, and we can see now our Griffin Reese take this lead with the help of Randall Zamo. Siya yung naging ano eh, last sport bottom, tikit ko yan eh. Simula nung nakatsyada ni Randall yan, it was a very It is the Barangay Sigo taking on the foot culture at mamaya po sa ating main event. It is the Carabaos taking on Hagong Kabuya. Ang gagaling po ang ating liga for the meantime. Pamilya mo tayo ng ating face of the game. Also, ma-interview na natin yung ating best player of the game.
Yun yung ano.
Our best player of the game, Brandon Blanco.
Blanco. Alaglag. Ito, tagi mga sa
Ayan, our best player of the game, Radel. Ayan, our best player of the game, Mr. Radel Blanco. Grabe, no? Uminit yung laban. Nung simula nung fourth quarter, niratsada mo sila. Nakita ko yung 6-0 ron eh, na mabilis ang ginawa natin si Radel. Ano masasabi mo sa naging performance ni today?
Napakaganda po ng performance namin ngayon, lalo na po sa depensa. At hindi naman po nanalo kung walang depensa eh. Yun lang po.
Alright, depends na naman tunay yan. Kasi yung the great offense is the great defense din, mga kabarangay. Once again, our best player of the game, Mr. Randall Blanco from the Root and Reese. Nanalo ka ng, makakatanggap ka ng limited edition sticker. At syempre, picture muna tayo kay Kuya Ray. Doon sa ating picturean area. Ayan, at syempre, after that best player of the game natin, tawagin na natin ating face of the game na makakatanggap po ng lavish beauty product from attorney Justin Martini Chipeco, basta Chipeco sigurado. Tawagin na natin si Miss Joan Cruz, ang ating face of the game today. Meron pa tayong dalawa na kukuhain mamaya. At syempre, binabati po natin ang ating butihing SK Sherman ng Barangay Parehan, Kevin Adante, na nandito ngayon. Kapatid, magandang hapon sa'yo. Ayan. Ayos nyo, kamusta naman po kayo today?
Okay lang po.
Nagasan po kayo?
5.
Barangay 5. Ilan taon na po kayo, Miss Joan?
30.
O 30, pero sobrang
Parang
ganda.
22.
Maganda pa rin. At dahil dyan, ito, pampabata. Galing from Lavish Beauty. Kayo po nanalo ng ating face of the game. At galing po yan kay Atty. Justin Mark Chipeco. Ano po masasabi niyo kay Atty.?
Thank you po, attorney.
Alright, thank you so much din sa inyo, Miss Joan. Patuloy po kayo manood at supportahan ang Southwoods Bowlers Club na yearly po ay nagpapaliga dito sa Calamba. Picture muna tayo para sa inyong natanggap na pa-premyo. Alright, susunod na, it's the Synchro taking on the hoop culture. Magbabalik po ang Southwoods Basketball. Back to you guys.